Hello, welcome back to the BlogSolution Tutorials. So far we have added our templates, so we have blue, chocolate, and reddish in and ready to go. So what this means is we're actually ready to create our blogs. So we'll come over here and hit Add Blogs, and this will open to our blog creation page, and it's broken up into 3 sections. First section is where we choose what templates we want to use in this BlogSolution project. So we have 4 templates right now in the system: blue, chocolate, reddish, and default, and we can now choose which ones we want. So for instance, if I only want to use 2 out of the 4 of these, I would choose blue and say chocolate. So I'll hit Control, hold that down, and hit click chocolate. And so what this tells BlogSolution is that it will only use blue and chocolate to create our blogs with. Now right now though, I want to use every single one of them. So I'll hit Control, choose the others, and scroll down, and we're ready to go. Now the next section is Add to Batch. Now batch is what we've been referring to as our smart job system. And to explain it really quickly in a nutshell, what these smart jobs allow you to do is to actually create blogs and put them on pending status. So I have a choice right now. I can either click to add to batch or not. If I leave it unchecked, every blog I create will go live instantly. So that means if I were to type in its address into my browser, it would pull up the blog. If I were to click Add to Batch and create my blogs, these will go on pending status, and they'll have an address, but if I type that address into the browser, it won't pull anything up because they're not live yet. And what batch allows you to do is it allows you to actually create 1,000, 10,000 blogs, put them on pending status, and then add them slowly but surely to your live blogs. So what this will do is you can then add 10, 20, 100 blogs a day if you want, without you actually having to do anything. Now right now what we're going to do is we're going to uncheck this, because all the blogs I'm making right now, I want them to go live immediately. So what we do is we come down to our 3rd section, and this is our keyword section. The BlogSolution, for every keyword I input into this system, it will create a blog for it. So if I input 100 keywords in here, it will create 100 blogs. If I input 10,000 keywords in here, it'll create 10,000 blogs. So let me get rid of these real quick. So what I've done is I have gone to Word Tracker and just grabbed 100 quick keywords, all internet based. So I'll copy them, I'll paste them in here. As you can see, we have internet income, internet addiction, internet facts. So what BlogSolution will do is it will create blogs, one blog for every one of these keywords, and will create them based on my keywords. So it will name them, title them, subtitle them, and link them all up, all for me. So once our keywords are in, as they are now, we come down here, hit process, and 100 blogs created. We hit OK, and it shoots us to our Manage Blogs page. Now if you ever want to just come to the Manage Blogs page, it's right here. So we just click this link, Manage Blogs. Now what the Manage Blogs page is it's basically the listing of all of our blogs. So we have a few things. We have the blog number, we have the name, which is actually a link to our blog also. So if you wanted to go and check out, say, I want to check out blog 198, Internet Addiction, my favorite. So we'll click that, and it will open our blog. Oops, excuse me. Click that again. So let me maximize this a little more. So we can see that our blog is named Internet Addiction. Friendly blogs, these are blogs that BlogSolution has already linked to within my project. If I were to add a link to my blog, it would go under My Favorites. And really from here, BlogSolution is ready to start updating and pinging my blogs. So let's get rid of this. Now from the Manage Blogs page, you have quite a few options actually. You can, first, let's go up here to these links. You can delete all blogs, remove all blogs. So if I had made a mistake in my keywords, if I'd done something wrong, I could just remove all my blogs and just do it all over again. It would take me 5 seconds to come back here with 100 new blogs. If I created blogs in a batch, so if I had a bunch of blogs on pending status and I wanted to get rid of those, I could delete all those from here. If I wanted to delete all posts or all pending posts, I would do that here also. If I wanted to activate the blogs in my batch, now this is doing it manually, but I could do that from here. If I wanted to activate all my pending posts, I could also do that. Now if I come down here to each of our individual blogs, scroll up just a little bit, as I said, we get a number, we get a link, and now we can tweak each of the blogs around specifically. So we can add posts to this blog, we can delete this individual blog if we want, we'll leave it for now, and we can also edit the blog itself. So let's hit edit. Okay, so now we're at the blog edition page. Edition, I don't even know if that's a word, but anyway, so this is the page where we're going to edit our blogs. So we are fed all kinds of info. First of all, we can see that this blog is active. We can see our blog address, the blog title that BlogSolution has given it based on one of our keywords, our subtitle, the email address that it was given, the template that was used, the internal linkage, what other, this is how BlogSolution linked it up to our other blogs, and down here we can see the feeds it is going to use to actually post to our blogs. Now right now we don't have any feeds in, and if you wanted to add feeds, and we're actually going to do this in the next tutorial, but I'll really quickly gloss over this, you can either do it here or you can do it in the settings area. The settings area governs all blogs. So when I put feeds in there to for BlogSolution to update my blogs with, it'll update all my blogs with those feeds. If I wanted, for instance, 99 of my blogs updating with one feed, I would put that feed in here, but I wanted this particular blog updating with another feed, all I would do is I'd come down here and enter that feed in here. So whatever you have on this blog editing page overrides what you have in the settings area. So if you want most of your blogs doing one thing, but a couple doing another, all you would do is you would edit your the blogs that you want a little different individually. And same goes for your blog keywords. Now this blog's keyword is free internet games play. And so like we saw, if we scroll up real quick, this is how the blog was titled, subtitled, this is the address of it. And this is also the keyword that BlogSolution is going to use to fetch RSS feeds. Now if we wanted other keywords in here, we could either delete this keyword or we could leave it in and just add more. So if we wanted, for instance, internet, maybe play, or internet games, now what we're telling BlogSolution is to override what it had before and to fetch RSS feeds based on these keywords instead of just free internet games play. Now, once I have everything set up the way I want, I save changes, settings successfully saved, and we're popped back here to the Manage Blogs page. And remember, if you want all of your blogs doing basically the same thing, you probably won't even have to hit the edit page. That is only if you want a few of your blogs doing something different. So now where we're at is we have 100 blogs created, and in the next tutorial we're going to tweak our settings right here and update and ping. So load the next one up and I'll talk to you in a few seconds. Hello, welcome back to the blogs.